They told the soldiers it was routine, a few tests, a chance to serve their country from a lab instead of a battlefield. It was a lie. From 1955 to 1975, the U.S. Army ran a secret program out of Edgewood Arsenal in Maryland. Thousands of active duty soldiers were enrolled without real consent. They were told they were helping develop protective gear and standard medicines. What actually happened inside those test chambers was something else entirely. Nerve agents, psychochemical compounds, experimental drugs that could shatter a man's mind. Some soldiers hallucinated for days. Others suffered nerve damage they couldn't explain for years. A few never fully came back. The program ran for 2 decades before congressional investigations finally forced it into the open. Most of the men didn't learn what had been done to them until they were middle-aged or older. The Army called it medical research. The soldiers called it betrayal. Over 7,000 men went through Edgewood. Many are still waiting for answers. What's your opinion? Drop it in the comments.